Hyundai service department. So this is our luxurious waiting room. We have plenty of entertainment here. You have different magazines, you have a whole workstation over in front of me. You even have TV you can watch, and company of a prince. That's not all. Come on. Whether you like your beverages cold, room temperature, or if you want coffee or tea instead, we've got it all. Not only that, hungry? We even have snacks. So let's say you want a fizzier drink rather than a water. Don't worry, got your soda machine right here. Or hungry for something a little bit more crunchy? We've got chips too. So no matter what you're craving, we've got you covered. Come see the service department. It's 4200 Lakeland Drive, Lowell, Mississippi 39232. We'll see you there.